Training your dog to go to bed, settling down on command. Title: Training your dog to go to bed, settling down on command. Introduction. Training your dog to go to bed or settle down on command is a valuable skill that every dog owner should consider teaching their furry friend. In this article, we will explore effective methods and techniques to successfully train your dog to settle down on command. Understanding the command. When we talk about training a dog to go to bed or settle down, we are essentially teaching them to calm down and relax in a specific location, usually a designated bed or crate. This command is useful in situations where you need your dog to be quiet and contained for a certain period. It can also be helpful in preventing separation anxiety by giving your dog a safe space they associate with relaxation. Getting started. 1. Choose a designated spot. Select a specific spot in your home where you want your dog to settle down. This could be a comfortable bed, a crate, or a designated area with a soft mat. Ensure that this space is always accessible to your dog and is associated with positive experiences. 2. Positive reinforcement. Gather some treats that your dog finds especially rewarding. Positive reinforcement will be the key to teaching your dog the go-to-bed command. Use treats that your dog loves, and reserve them exclusively for training purposes. 3. Start with basic obedience training. Before introducing the go-to-bed command, make sure your dog is familiar with basic obedience commands such as sit, stay, and down. A well-trained dog will have an easier time learning new commands and behaviors. Training techniques. 1. Capture and reward calm behavior. When your dog voluntarily goes to their bed or crate, immediately praise and reward them with a treat. Over time, this positive reinforcement will motivate your dog to associate the bed with rewards and relaxation. 2. Introduce the command. Once your dog starts going to their bed or crate on their own, it's time to introduce the verbal command. Say go to bed or any other phrase you prefer in a calm and clear tone while they move towards the designated spot. This will help your dog associate the command with the action. 3. Guide and reward. Initially, your dog may not understand the command immediately. In such cases, use a treat as a lure to guide them towards the bed or crate. Praise and reward them when they reach the designated spot. Gradually reduce the use of treats as your dog begins to understand the command. 4. Practice duration. Once your dog is consistently responding to the go-to-bed command, gradually increase the time they spend in the designated spot. Start with short durations and gradually build up to longer periods. Ensure that the designated place remains comfortable and inviting to encourage your dog to settle down. Common challenges and solutions. 1. Lack of motivation. If your dog seems disinterested in going to their bed, try motivating them with their favorite toys or a designated blanket. Associating the bed with positive experiences will make it more appealing to them. 2. Distractions. In the beginning, your dog may find it challenging to settle down due to distractions. Minimize distractions by choosing a quiet area and gradually introduce distractions as your dog becomes more proficient. 3. Consistency and patience. Consistency is crucial when training your dog. Ensure everyone in the household uses the same command and techniques to avoid confusion. Patience is key, as every dog learns at their own pace. Additional information and tips. 1. Gradual progression. Take small steps when training your dog to settle down on command. Start by having them stay in the designated spot for a few seconds, then gradually increase the duration. This will prevent overwhelming your dog and make the training process more successful. 2. Consistent vocabulary. Use clear and consistent words or phrases when giving the command. Stick to one command, such as go to bed, and avoid using similar sounding words or phrases that may confuse your dog. 3. Avoid punishment. Never punish your dog for not immediately understanding or following the command. Punishment can create fear or anxiety and hinder the training process. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement and reward good behavior. 4. Distinct cue. Consider using a specific cue or signal, such as a hand gesture or a specific posture, in addition to the verbal command. This can help reinforce the command and make it easier for your dog to understand and respond. 5. Training sessions. Keep training sessions short and frequent. Dogs have shorter attention spans, so multiple short sessions throughout the day will be more effective than one long session. Aim for 5 to 10 minute sessions, and make sure to end on a positive note with rewards and praise. 6. Generalize the command. Once your dog has mastered the command in a specific location, gradually generalize it to different areas of your home or even other locations outside. This will ensure that your dog understands the command regardless of the environment. 7. Seek professional help if needed. If you encounter difficulties or feel overwhelmed during the training process, don't hesitate to seek assistance from a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can provide guidance tailored to your dog's specific needs. Remember, training your dog to go to bed or settle down on command requires time, consistency, and patience. Celebrate each small progress and adapt the training process to suit your dog's individual learning style. With dedication and a positive approach, you can successfully teach your dog this valuable skill and enjoy a well-behaved and relaxed canine companion.